This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 102 of Building Kitt. This is a standalone issue. We're starting on the inside of the rear, I think, but we're not attaching it yet. We're just building some bits up. Out of the Woods. Where are we? Episode 14 from season 4. Not a minute ago. Yeah, again, even looking at the pictures, nothing is jumping to mind about watching any of this. Feel free to delve in and read all about it if you like. It might bring back some memories if I read it, but yeah, I'm not going to. So yes, this is the glove compartment and other small parts on the left side of the trunk. There's a glove compartment in the back. Very strange. I don't have to have storage, but there we go. So yes, we're building up the glove compartment on that, which has got an interior, although I don't think it actually opens. So we're putting that on there, and then we'll be good to go. Building it up like that, and then obviously we're going to be doing the same again on the other side, assuming there's another glove compartment on the other side. There may or may not be. But once we've got that together, we'll be installing that. Chemical analyzer. Kitt analysed this ticket. Want to know where the tree grew up. That's interesting. Right, there we go. Let's get this out of the way, and let's get this panel built. Right, so we've got the parts, a nice interior panel in the nice beigey colour. We've got the cover, which is what we're going to be dealing with first. We're going to put the latch, opening button onto it. It does have a flat side, so it will only go on one way round. And that way round is about like that. Not quite like that, because it's not lined up. Come on. No, you want to. There's a flat side and a flat side. There you go. That goes in there, and we just hold that in place, although it's quite a tight fit. It does have a DP screw to hold that in place anyway. So there we have it. Cool. Then we have to fix this to that. This has a couple of hinge pieces, although, as I say, it's not going to be hinged. It fits on the inside there, like that. It's quite cool. I like it. So that's going to go on the outside to hold that in place. Get it the right way round. That way round. Like that. That's the job. So that says 2 DP screws to hold that in place. Why is there another screw hole down there? We'll do that in a moment. So we do need 3 of these. DP. Probably going to need another one as well for that in a moment. Yep. So let's get 4 of these out. Of course, the other packet that I opened off camera, opened easy, no trouble at all. I thought that'd be all right. And then this one is being a pain in the bottom. Right, let's see. We need 3 for this bit and 1 for the next bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that one aside for later. So this one will go in there. Another one over the other side. There. Oh, that isn't. There we go. And one more in the bottom. Feels like overkill. Not sure it needs all of those screws to hold that together, but there we go. So that is that. Let's get all those tightened up. There we go. If you could open it, you could and put stuff in it, but you can't because you don't. So that is that. We then need to fit that piece down there. Got a pin and a screw. Obviously some method of attaching this to the base. One in there. Let's get the screw the right way round. I'll get the screw on there now. There we go. Right, of course, this one's going to be a pain. It's the last bit, isn't it? Or almost the last bit, so it's bound to be awkward. Because that's the way life works. Now I can't see to get that lined up there. No. Is there? There we go. So that is that. Good to go on there. The one last piece just clips in on the end down there. Not like that, because that's just pinging it. It goes on there. There's 2 holes and 2 pins. Get them lined up properly. Don't have that the wrong way around. Did have it the wrong way around. It's got to go inwards. What that does then. Going to be, is that going to hold the seatbelt in place? Maybe. Not entirely certain. But that's where it goes. I think I've got it quite in, but there, it's not moving. Yeah, that's got to be the seatbelt, isn't it? That's going to be that way up. Probably where the bottom half of the seatbelt sort of touches behind. Maybe. I don't know. We'll find out eventually. But for now, that is another issue completed, and indeed another delivery completed as well. So I shall put this aside with the rest of the car and be ready to build it again next month. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the build as much as I'm enjoying building it. I hope you're enjoying watching it as much as I'm enjoying building it. If you're also building it, then do let me know. Leave a comment, send a message, however you like. Get in touch. Other than that, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.